Just started on the mash for the pear wine, pear cider. Cut up the pears, threw some probably 10 grape leaves in there, one box golden raisins, sulatanas, ground up, probably about a quarter-pound of ginger for a little spiciness. Got about 2 quarts of water in there mixed in with it. Got my water over here mixed with 6 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, letting it cool off. Then we'll put it in here with the mash and 1 packet of Red Star wine yeast, champagne yeast, whatever you want to call it. Then cover it up with old t-shirt and let it sit and start to ferment, and then turn it every day for about 2 or 3 weeks, and then start with the first siphoning off to pull the mash out and really mash it up good. And then just let it sit and ferment for another 2 weeks, so about 5 weeks altogether, to get some clarity out of it. And then we'll start bottling it, and it just takes about 6 months from there. And this is a small batch. I just used a lot of pears for the preserves, and it was a little bit late getting pears this year over there. I should have done it probably 2 weeks ago instead of last week, because what was left is pretty much on the ground and already rotten. So kind of had to weed through what we had. But that's it for now. Next year I'll do a big batch. I'm just using my handy dandy 5-gallon bucket for this, and probably this old shirt here to cover it with, because I got a big giant hole in the back of it. So we'll cover that up. Cloth works good. And then later on I'll strain it through a pillowcase, and probably some cheesecloth. Get the big chunks out of it. Alright, I'm just waiting for the water to cool off that I just boiled the sugar in. And we'll add that and put the yeast in there, and then mix it up real good and cover it up. And I'll be updating you on this stuff later on. And we should be good to go. And I'll keep you posted. Thank you. If you like my content, subscribe, like, share, all that jazz. And we'll see how this goes. Thanks.